I am gonna put like music over this. Be like, it'll be like in 1936, the natives of Tofino built the trail with the help. "500 meters? That guy's delusional." No, now it's been probably like, yeah.
300?
One block is like, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh. It's creepy. I really like this. You know what I mean? Looking scared, like. How would we have possibly known that you're supposed to go there and then go right? This guy, for all we know, this guy could be setting us on a wild goose chase, but why would he do that? This totally reminds me of Port Renfrew and Jordan River and all along the west coast there. So he gets paid about $100. Is it a day from YouTube? From his views? Wow. I don't think we could have picked a better time of the day to come. I was totally doing this just for the idea of this video. Ooh, the waves look sweet here. That's cool. That would be like in some of the water that collects in the water like that there, and then if it got hot, that would be like the what do you call those? Like the rock water, So in some places where the water like collects in the rocks and stays there, and then it gets like hot, and it makes it really nice, and then it's like a pool type area, like hot springs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You can keep going, I'll catch up. Wow, this one's pretty sweet though, Mal. Hey babes, Mel, did you get one from out here looking out that way? At all the little islands? That's sweet. I wish I would have brought my binoculars. It's beautiful out here. I'm so glad that we came. Where's the lighthouse? Where's the lighthouse? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think it's over there. But I still gotta check them all. Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to re-edit this part. Okay, I'm coming behind you, babes. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. It's you. Oh my god. Son of a beep.